Backyard kitchen.
Ahana common war.
Backyard kitchen.
Ahana common war.
Okay, you come here price before. Ahana common war.
Backyard kitchen.
My bam. Yes.
Na me pam twa asem ayi rubber for dodo. Yeti ya na edi nkomo. Asem mpesa mo beje so. Backyard kitchen.
Ahana common war.
Salete munya made se mo besra me abo nkoma mu nkom fie. So ba na nka me no nko a. Me nua na te sai bo se be ko mu nko beje.
Elfa.
Amaye ko ka mu yo. I no cry backyard kitchen there.
Ahana common war.
So woni esem a
Ye ni nyawo.
Abi, and we say amende. We sema yetimi digya.
Na
Oye mo sa won sa demu a.
Ana ye ni nyawo.
Ana hwefra ye yun sa abata konsa.
Ampa.
Ani ti se on sa ebesi eye ye duani mu a na eye wo phone, eye wo tab no, obedo comment ebeto ho.
Exactly.
E dey ya ye be kan wo to comment.
E di amao.
En wa sama.
E di amao.
Me bedi eye Her Excellency.
That's it.
And him ever walk high no and decide great there. Over to you, Your Excellency.
I take am. I take am. I was about some catch him some backyard kitchen no. I know enya sure nipa wa ko beka no so otena ha o. Na me pese me akonyan ma sorry baba to so chem say. The Nancy mentena ha. No ntena o still be deliver. It say me no ka say. Na wo hwe yen. Enne so nkomo wo ho. A de ba be hihye so. Ansa na no. Me pese enuanu nyina be introduction ni ye. No ho mo enu be di nkomo no. Me wi amada abo afase na the topic na to. Me do for pa ho ofe.
So family patients one, me mother care.
Okay.
So I let my polyclinic.
Okay.
Mother care, I want mother care.
I want mother care. I want mother care to come and care for my baby. Baby. Now, I'm a Lina for strong word power. Went to me a surprise here. Madam, I am Wemsa.
Packaging it, they are packaging or backyard in Sinetri.
I over backyard. Well, Mrs. Aquava. Nice one. I saw about the money we are. Me don't find what fair. Ghana was beautiful.
Ghana's beauty, Africans' pride.
Yes, I'm powerful. Ghana was beautiful. But my opposition, you know, any year me cry now call.
Me that's Nana. Me did Mame ya techiwa kunama. Me a health worker at Presbyterian Medical Center.
Okay.
Aside that, I'm a beauty queen from One Kasaufi Media Junior.
Yes.
23 Ghana's most beautiful, where I represented the Bono East region in 2022. Alongside brand ambassador to a whole lot of brands, respective brands. Actually, you are eventually everybody's prayer point, of which I'm not exceptional. So coming here today, I don't think I'm at the wrong place. I'm truly at the backyard.
With the Nancy.
Her
Excellency.
And the Mamisi.
What I said, that's a baby.
Everything all in one.
Wow. Hey, what do you do so?
Yes.
Credentials, I can.
Credentials.
Yes.
Wow. One on the buffet.
Mrs. Yao.
Hey, Debbie, we may know certificate. And I say that I don't know. But you. Thank you for the time, Martin.
Thank you for having me.
Nyamisha,
so you invited me.
Yes. Yeah, that's it. Never been come on. So I'm a beautician. You want to so,
Mama. But me that's me great. Me need to pass and the you want to share money.
Guys.
Oh, backyard. I mean, any day we I know what they.
Yes.
Your friend me Cindy Mary, but then officially Mary Adama Popo. Me a health worker and a student midwife, but I'm here to visit my mom at our backyard. And I'm going to my me as saying, "Coffee be bring I'm into beauty. Me boti. I mean, the name is Afro Pop Hair Clinic. And I'm on the friend Afro.
Yes.
Period.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, I mean, when it comes to a home of trust me, you're number one. Thank you.
Well, baby, na celebrities ahodoɔ style omutie pa de jai na se when the shape album lunch ne hairstyle ne bibi ono ano ye bobo bi ne fa to wa power so yi
Me na me hairstylist for when you say
family
and family
Number
and
two.
Kimpaluta I'm like a beautician for him.
sa wo ho
Because anything one.
we ne ma bebre ka ho
Na kwame na MP lyrical Joe
and that tie nko ade a you dey right
I'm producer.
your friend say
Baby, Annie baby.
ani baby no minin me no nyina ba bi adu no ye no ko en fine fire some
Oh
serious
yeah.
aha any sign and then komoda ho
Yes.
sɛ menya abranteɛ bi a ɔbɛ me fie cars ahodoɔ sika bi a mepɛ bi a ɔde bɛma me nanso ne bifu ya na ɔto ne nsa ɛne Land Cruiser metwi ne nnɛ Lamborghini ɔkyena adeɛ kyena Rolls Royce adeɛ kyena Range Rover adeɛ kyena car ketewa wɔ mu koraa no ɛyɛ me deɛ yi bia kɔkɔɔ ne fɛnfɛn Raptor no ɛno ne ketewa wɔ mu koraa na unim no ma bra less bifu a ne search say power obaje no quick no apepa show ho na ne dollar go bag na wo spend it but every little thing bia obeka bibia na so kra no wa umu ade nyina ene say ubenya wa ade bi Emmanuel nyame ne ye ho na ono wo tie na ono a won haw ne mmom onika or high apartment or high single room na nene tie open there here do you want soft life with hard labor or you want peace of mind with a broke nigga which one do you want and I'm can here hello
Hi.
soft life cars this is what then so peace of mind in you ebi ni saying ebi e did attempt ebi e disrespect ebi the assume abuse like obeto nensa ana me so brai mana me ne tie ye ne Yesu Kristo ne tie ho no ne tricycle no eno ano wo no ano de ye adwuma nanso onya bi no obafie a ye nya eso ne ye parents bi e de be yan kwan monko ne emanso bi e de be yan kwan no kwasi ade duro de bitena to no atwim ne ekwa sorry na ya ba basa KFC so obenya bi edipa de oboa mo betwam aba na ma hwese eno amo na bi kaya ene ade mpamcha mo ye mabawa mono against one no owi a nso ebebisa no den na mo pe mo choose the reality no my mo reality when we started
Okay, Nana,
yes.
to be honest,
yes,
without passing left or right,
don't go anywhere.
My energy to anywhere, I will forever choose soft life.
Yes,
because I have not seen any government sharing trophies for being broke and now for suffering. Bible cry my yeti say nyame nsem shira ne manipa ye odefo obreduma afa ba ko pe kra nka ho
there be to say bra you must say you won't
get nothing out of it. And then also we have something in psychology your friend no moral rationalization.
Gosh.
Impempi nkofo bi de ohia ana ahokyere attach religion of which it's very wrong. It is never normal for somebody to be broke. It is never normal for Accra only say only parents intimi afford the 3 square meal for the child. I don't see why most Ghanaians or most people see that to be normal. Personally, it is not normal to me.
It's not normal to be broke.
It is normal.
To be in
your normal.
Difficulties.
If you weigh the two, I don't see why any of us here will go for the Brahima part. No. It doesn't work for me. Women are not even supposed to suffer. It is the condition not to work, not to do anything, be giving birth, be enjoying my husband's money. Nana, there is no two ways about that.
But no, I was stressing. I know to ninsa. I even so no boy.
Obedoje. Oh, man, not to pretty much, Johnny. It's not always I'll stand there for you to abuse me.
Oh, okay. Oh, boy, so more and I want to know.
Oh, wait,
All right,
choose soft life.
That's all. Yeah.
And also, Nana, it is good. Say, me su Lamborghini, then me wipe it off my tears with some
a musician be born you say, I didn't if we wish for horses and I want to mommy. Is it too much? Is it too much? I want
me uncle no pan no. Some of Uncle homes. Some always want to be a billionaire. Yes.
When you met you.
Is
it too much?
It's not too much to be a billionaire. We shouldn't limit ourselves to that tight corner. I won't advise anyone to go for Brahima in this modern Ghana. You are not supposed to. So Nana, that is it. You are not supposed to.
Until there. Open a soft life with hard labor.
Life. Obia be wu mi mrewu.
The boy asuma no akwese dem no apepa so.
Na nkume.
Ah, see me, we are taking a stand.
Mama, me mom pa de, nyam se enka no kai. Eh, dey me fa soft life.
Oh my.
Because
application declined, Nana.
Sound.
Decline.
And you decline it.
Because there were choices. Inti obi atumi sisa na adwen at any time.
Wait, baby, onya choose be.
What choose?
Onya choose be ma want to be better legend.
Say I wa be choose. Soft they were choose soft.
Me choose soft. Na emo no me choose soft na bon no e was say me so me pa no eduru nto.
Ah. And then be the ice special feeding.
Exactly.
Okay.
Obo mi anam de akoto so. Dey bon no sha me hwe no be bo maso anam de me ton adi ko me ton wi am.
Every one so the favorite pie was in temu.
Me try as well. Because me in general space on bombers are. Me we are no my yet remedies and I be able to phone. Me we am driving me nice car. Because looking good. I mean you be a me busi afunti and because soft life.
Because soft life. No. All right, I want. What do you want?
A soft life.
Period.
A soft life.
I want.
Because my experience be a travel. Me pese me san ya chekra san ya ba mu bi me soft life dey no na me di sisi.
Nessa enyeme bi afọ ani so.
Enyeme bi afọ me ni so.
We share very my pain.
We share very my pain.
We share very my pain.
Ya fa na ni so yi.
Oh, I want to touch you.
Enu ana wo. Eh. No say. Ya ba je boro no. Nye twi Lamborghini no.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah, you pay perfect. That's where them dey.
Sorry ba.
That's all.
A man na choose soft life.
Auntie, no kwasem ne se. Na kopọ bo nipa ba wiase.
As in so person to buy be boy nko.
Nipa ama eye hard life.
Hard labor.
Hwe ma na kopọ ebo bibia wie. Asa na obebo nipa. Said the bear nipa e ho beto no. Enti o hwe Bible je no kra na odikasa abo bema. Na obebo ba. Said the oban beba na bema na dua adodo afuo ni ma ya bibia no kwa na. Enti kan nipa pemu a enka oba de e o se nikunu etimi ehwe no ema no hoto no de bibia. Okay. Ene na mobua ni yi. Because we are seeing one. You were be a friend of physical torture.
Okay.
You were mental and emotional torture. Na ade bakwa e torture nipa. You can say torture obi a ye tete nipa fat tia no him. Ade bakwa e torture nipa pa obi ase. Eye ohia.
Ohia torture wa ehu.
Poverty. Ohia na betimi atoche wo saa ama wan hwa do ti be ma obi aye battery dia so the torchlight
Right now.
Ohia na betimi atete wo ba ama wan kasa no ujira hwehwe mu ahwe wa tim se we de enyem ya
amfa asora se nsuo yi bantie besre Ghana fo emsafo samu hu se ye teatea mu anya ne epe ensuo ne ton wo backyard kitchen nanso anam sa e covered nti on shada mo yen sa me mu what disturb yen nti me say be page e kasa no kaka
Na
you are on the floor
na nsuo na to ne de enhyira edimedi so
amen
aha edimedi no eduaba ene de hya asase ni
Yes.
nsuo no du so
Ah.
eso do so
ampa
yes
say kutu
bam.
say bam
bam
pepepe
na asemi asema koso pa ye ke obi hwe a onim se na asem na ye ka na the make ne say we are say we there were forms of torture ye was say ye de aba ebu obi na say ye physical ye titi obi assault and no na ye war emotional torture na physical torture emotional torture ni me ni na timi kum
okay
and then oko hospital ahodo a na Her Excellency McBrown ba ho ba kwa man for da kuntuni omu hu ano no obo mo de na ko maame enye hwe nyanko mo be wate omo beton wate enti maame to de g 2000 na ya
They are told.
ube free word ho no na ni ko na da ho no buy 80% omo aton mo
2000 no
2000
sika ye moja
ene de to moja duro enu ti sika de okọ makola ena bo zampa sika de eno no omo kai sika ni se no se
no sa dia boss
ni dentia o kai sika ta pe ni sa
na wo fi wo
enti mi wiase na me wo de unim nyansa se den na ehia wa
Nipa.
amanfo be fa unyansa ya ade
nanso
enti no omo fa wo nya hwe
sa pepepe
Bible mu so the advice they say Miniaba said Yakopon adom na akonya bema also go on soft life peche nanso oye abusive the pacho edu ba bia also ya abusive ni
Be dispensive.
Bono counter attack
ene se no ba bu oku
o say
nani ko onya na hwekwa let me to nesa
sister bi ano ne strategy ni
okay
prove na no akwase adwa ati se osu no okosu ọkọ dan a na abọmọdin a oye nko ale nku yi no afa ni kun grass no de atwitwi owi a no ahoro ho no de ato
for the chichi den
ya ne no ezelu kunu ba na ni kunu twitwi ne sia no so sire pasiam pani twi ma dia ano so no compensating and if compensatory and tell no so de kunu no and tell ni kunu bonus na onya de kwetwitwi ara kunu twi ne sia no asere no ne tirim na anu atire no abawade akọ wa fa ATM card no wa kodina wa ba
na ne beto ma de
bam anya wa jine ni okrom se do pe bia
ko fi a be bo no
ya bo no compensatory ani timi mo mu de ohia nya de pa atore bia na ba kanta ata compensatory
na no sa no no na bia ne wi a we be ya bia ne bibi ana se brass ne nko ana re
so me say so le ka no kra efie ama mo na weapons no mo
okay
apart from say bia be ma na bia oni tuo bia ala license dan ni wardrobe weapons na kan nyina go kitchen ama mo na control kitchen what you say
and then next sister we can send you
so one time fine on the fine put in here chia obo say
next sister we can send you na I man no ye medu na mom ango na dey free baninti osi no no obi na tifie na vayane to one na unza tete na short na for there 2-3 occasion sister na me dey ani wi anu ajonso agu ni kun kwan ajonso no ajonso agu ni kun kwan because brano obebe bia no abo minim se na dress dan And all kind of me chica plenty. They also can. I know say weapon no perform different angles.
So go ha. Enter say obepe pepper ne hwente dia pete dia ne no so no. O na pete ne ma for ma.
Na mumu way. I don't know about to say we better not to say. Who choose soft life. I'm oba. Ba ma be wani so. Ama just say there be a ho show. Na mumu kwa wanti anu akokasa. I don't know.
And the American said, ọba bi ẹni hɔ nom a ɔpɛ sɛ yɛn bo no de bi a enti
And choose very man.
na me nti so brɛ ma so la mɛkɔ for soft life no
Rock up let's go.
mɛkɔ bra less wɔ ho but me so me wɔ me way a mɛyɛ bra less wɔ no so ɔbɛ de ko
Who is in the day? Who trying to be fool?
me way si mo me de ba mo no nye me say ya wo kaya master bi she one for na bi a no no betini apply ama be ma
Then,
Haya mara.
and to make you know.
not to me no eh ya run be ba for na de ono so atie mi fu be
Okay.
master de ya be bro
And then let's baby Kayamata. Kayamata, you know that means Kayamata, you know mama is Mamata.
Emrante bebree wɔ ha. Amuna ma. Wait. Fucking him. Oh, but this guy, you know sicko. What's he bebree wɔ ha? Amuna ematia. Emano, the blue boss na eku om. Ka ya bema na ubo jack. Na be se utu yere tax. Now I'm a 1 2 time now. Mentally you are tortured.
And I come on there. And what do you ask I know what that?
No.
No, 2 1 Sadia Mini.
Grana. Then no badano. Oh, enjoy because a rape, marital rape.
But
No. Psychologically, no. About what it is.
Oh.
I know it's man
and let's share it
Bonnie Joe, Babo.
Oh, there you go. I'm sorry, Roxy.
There was a Regina.
I'm sorry,
I
but
won't have
Ma, me womude. That strategy I would can tell me na me ya biama. Me wa edura metumi dia mama de bia be try wo be gasa o emra wo nya na jade ba boro.
Na ba do akwaduma.
Oh mama sika no wo ka no wo me de say aben na na enjoy. But I was say me ma so wo ye mra wa wutumi mu. Me di niane eniema bubu wa biam udi na sa wo ye.
Okay, no hu no ni wadi ani bi eso e.
Oh ma,
that's not boatica. When you are no more.
Ase wo ya kakra. Obe hu ati no. Na wa ya mra wo. Obe wati na duro na tumi na ama fe krade that's obe ko hospital ka wo because ko me ye wie na that moment be ma da turu a bra mama e primpo umbe ham klasa
Na se u kuna dia na u ere.
Ma anu
O kuno.
O kuna.
O kuni ni badua.
no
Saman.
no ebe ku kran enye se me ma won be ku me
Anya atwa.
ma se ne be obe emre won say o buy a hyper na ni din on that the whole night where the dem
Amana so mudu ne se waka.
ma we dey me kama obi ka se bia sa na ye
So that the nebeti.
but obi be tinya ha do be mana da throughout na wato ba we monitor nti me kunu me hu se wo amode na wanya amode bone na wade bone ye be mama ye se me mo aye mrew ni ma na se wo fa wafo afle ni aye wo no me yisu ade wo to bro me ya that be pram na asa nti me di kai fa no adene se me na me ga aduane me no na da no wa me wa de amefa nti wo ye mrew a wo ntumi nko sa ambo me bi afle di be bia bo nkrade trese wa ma me sa ya ni trese ma ma ye mrew wa soma wo na wo bro me soma se bro me you need to miss us.
Hey, Miss Gam you to any agent.
Leave
Who the answer soft life in the over but over beating.
and beating, no. It is not as if every minute they are beating you. Yes,
Answer 4 times a week.
But he doesn't get angry so easily.
4 times a week.
4 times a week.
I think so. No, love, no.
Okay, 20 prescription 4 times a week.
Okay, let's draw a timetable. Ora ene simikoto ochina bomachi.
Baby, hi. Una do shadoko. Where is he?
Agent.
Me say school for
Where I am run what they are.
yeah, one year. You go school and now you share. What me shenika be.
Na the book I share today.
What the book show you? Teacher you saw it or so I was say. I said okay, bring your palm.
What was it? Chenyi ango on the chenyi.
Bring your palm and I cook. When you know, strategy need there. Sister, 4 times.
Still now because of life, no. All right, and now this for me see abontin. Na yan hwe se wiase mo ya dia ma wo. Na wunya akwanya bi na okoshi abrante bi a. O ne dan asisi adan. Ewo ahodo. Cars ahodo egudam. Chesa na yire no. Cars na dey go ai kiss ni go ba ai plate bi musuo. Into utimi yi bi anytime. Ba na kokonye. Ofo ba kokwa no amfa nwume no time ho. Opade we no anya ntam go utimi piagu. Ane tii ko utimi pia na agu ho. Asa akoma no. E ba reaction no different angle. Ane se omenya brain ma. Brain ma mpa no wasem. Brain ma ebi o twini tricycle bi. Brain ma ebi o plumber bi. Chese kakra bi obenya bi no ane wa sa na brabo nai. Epede yen. Ebusuafo e, omianke anokre. Yenkwa abonten, ni yenkwa gya yenkyere so emfiri ho mbre. Ye ba sisi a.
Me a me gina he. Ye frɛ me Felicity. Me de wo ye bema na wo sika. Na wo betimi ama magidi ama mafunu ma ye ma. Na ohaw bia na me so a. Na wo bobo me amepe because ohia ya papa. Hwe sa ba ye me jo na wo ho a kyere wo. Na wo sresriska. Kyese awe ho ankasa nti me de bema wo sika. Ha kyese obeso aguma no ama me ankasa obesima na me ye no. Ama ma ye obesima no. Me de meda ho adi ama na bom.
Se meti hwe ye frɛ ma me ka so a. Me ware bema no bebu me. No be ma me sika na me ho beto me. Na ombu me na me ndi hia de campaign hia no. Me kwa koye kaya na me di. Enye sa buru no moja be gina me mewu eje sika. Eti me kwa koswa kaya bia water kra me kwa koton na me di edidi ni me nyame nkwa.
Ebusuafo me dia meje so aye adwa bless. This particular topic is very tough, but then it was say ka. Na topic we dia se be ma wo sika a obehwe me but obebo me. Na be ma oni bi but ombo me. Dia he na me choose. Me dia ka me nko ade a ka me choose be ma ohwe me na obo me. Because adofo no ohia ya ahokyere ya. Ahokyere okra wo obi akọ no waboa wo. Nti se wo kofa be ma se wotafa che hwe ni fi ekom ai bedo na ka se bia ombu nti na ha like ombu a mo me de kwa na moni beje se ombu na se bia oni ska wo de hwe wo so eno so den nti me de me fa be ma se bi wotafa che e bi wo ho ma me ho atome me didi amen me dress shepe na nso obego me ebro no so kra nso no me se man fa me ho ankwa me nye hwe so obego me de me ho kwa e na obego me nti no minim saa no me bre me ho ase ono ndakwa no kra ba kra me nkasa
Abusuafo backyard kitchen ni na me ma wakwa aba na ma kyerɛ sɛ adwenkyerɛ nya na bonten no so ɛno ne yɛde ato dwa no wode toto yɛde no ho a wobɛhu susuye wom ebi gyina ha meka obi o sɛ maboafo da so kra me mu high sense everyday prices for everyday people my way insurance sɛ nyɛ my way a ka sɛ no way holy insecticide holy multi-purpose spray ni nyina bi wo holy mosquito coil eno so ebi wo ho eno ne ma entontom eda omu fimu ami etunya enna konkon pa eda yeda wase na yeda synthesis tank so ase se ene de ye wa kese ye won ketua opa ketua benya opa kese so abenya ne ba chawo ye ne strong no ye ne tough no maboafo nyeme da se pa aka me kakra bi na yede komo no SC now obi a chere stand so far na yenhwe complications kakra wo ho You can you about 10 minutes to complete. Complications are what very mad no ebi ni say.
Say that mental torture na ewo mu ohia. Say obayare. Na be me ya ti bre ma antini nya sika ma mo fa nko fa duro nya se mo hospital. Duro a mo ko no. Mo nya sika nkoto. Be se mo free asa. Na mo so compound house na mote na obi egia. Na bre ma antini nyima. Ama ya nkoto. What I say? A year befie na se okokra na scar de beko aya sem. Wonya kokodua se obesa ba back nkra so aya sem. This say osresre wo bi se de bia na busua adiwani twitwifo. Akwala ye pama mu school fees and bia. Enti wa kasa no nama. Ubo se the bishop so yambo yentim yankao, but emotionally psychologically you are not okay. Tambia okwa asori kwa yen fo buo bia ma because what the ani say tongues na ani mbo the buttons are no de time so na fe ba for there una odo
Kra
eno asori no ko buo che de him sa ma
yes stay we chusu
anti mi mom de so ba no ho fe or properties bibia the dia outside get to home cry
on chusu
ni kwa am de ne be fa so
oh what in the brush what in that make chuchu baby
ni kwa am de ne be fa so ni kwan ya me de ne be fa
aya say we guy na mabonten
yeah
so you me bob no mjonso
just very dear akwabia ono ne kios
hey right
oda ne kios munti akrofo ne ntimi nwia no twanta mo hwa akwa ne samsa akwa ebe mafia no ono so opensa mo anom nsa abo no mo tam ne kios ne nsu to se ne nsu to yi ana mo de kosi gata kese bi se bura gata mu ni impurities ento da kios ni ma asene ni ba no so no na say
enema ne nam na no
asa me di bene
Tongo,
yes I was so di bene
we jimi na we jimi
sorry kios mu na oda o maya maria I say we di bene
that's obi a ko anfa so panish
no you see me say okay ni sisi ko ball table no atra range over mu o cospa
ya ko miemia
Yemiemia, who is castle better go miemia come.
Wish, oh sorry, auntie.
Honey, your pounds, it's okay. So, Hannah, I bet your best this solutions, no, you have a bow and you want to I call 2 pounds, come up.
Okay.
That's
how they choose soft life.
Soft life.
Said your man in there choose soft life.
And a man in there choose. And master that way. I'm not sure, Casa. Said you did. Engineer, we are bear mouse.
I didn't know you be unfunny, dear mammy.
Oh, there
be cry.
There be as a DV.
Mama, say complications are. I want one then. And Alex, Alex, and so no complication be now can say, oh, yare, and I say, oh, buy you are that them. Oh, yes, dumping or the other drama, or yare do also. One children and one for uncles to be an open. And no cramp a big complication.
A brobby so also a bob back up as well to me.
It's no complications because when you had it, may only mood the son at 7 minutes. Send me mistress and let us say, wait. If you're Yamma de Emma, Yamma be Brema moved this San Yamma Sissy. And I know what kind of complications I want to say. Same or Bronan or to me, bro. Crow, what take a crown out to Badia.
Yes.
But Obona woman, I always say, I bet come down because Ubufua, Obama rough, and Jabet come down. But Miss Abehalme, Abehalma put with the grandpa, and I don't know about me. I didn't sign your money now to me, Mamuja crack time.
But some would you see Obama Sanso?
You, Ma, Bema be or Obama will be a chair. My quality. Always car or no cab or be the all the bedroom of a driving by midwife. Bama, that crowbar could not confine in be said. The Ami film will make him some, and yes, and Bibia me could make a piano noble me, Bibia noble me, but Yami penny now, the mammy, Miss Sam to me, ya are you. And I may be silent, so they advise not the man. No catch and you know fear nasi. Onu said I be fear nasi because me so me nyanya.
Oko amfa kanema.
Oko amfa kanema. But ma girl no ton bibia wo by bruniti. Ebi won mo be ba say, who say edu baby me covered by say here you my she no smart.
Nti eboa no.
Eboa no send to makata so. Na aya said you on ma wo yes na bia wo dia wo a. On say be award de niema puepue. Ma sent ne ko be gina. Nti agina mu no yi pue no. No say na sister den na no say me bo phone. Sa na o ka kire no. But enu achi na o ka kire na later no ka kire say ade na hu na ye form na me boy me di udi nti na me ka kire me kunu ni o de me fam ofie on. Obi so on mo tumi ba hospital wo be ba no na fono ni ade apai ni ye pam. Osuro say ye be report be ma na manya kire. Nti o be ka kire say o enya hwe me bo form hwe for. O hwa ade we so a enya form boy asort. Enti da kuru la kranka ye na no ba hospital ba ye rasi na emergency ye wu no be. It me fi soft life.
Na say also what choose soft life na say am.
Me when bro me ba me so me fa me ho adwene. Wo ba bro ma kwesi awie a so be wu akwesi awie wo be wu na ma fa japade.
Now how do you know say the way na ekunu? Ono ne de ande e physical na wo de you so de help. You so de so ni say yankasa wo you so atimi no.
Ma ni bi o ama ben o. Ama ben pa ama ben o ma nu amo we de.
Sese.
Wa die duro wa ben.
Nte bibi antumi nkum no.
Oh, baby betime ku no. Ana me ka say blue box ra betime ku.
Nte be ya wa ben ne dey.
Obetime anya ama ono anka be ne say ase ne hu awu. I'm telling you. Oba afese be ma
hu
hu a.
Na hu sto obetime abro. Me say nya o na no wa ko.
Abro ne de.
Obaje.
Oba anu no asign you have signed. Oh, 4 days beating, 3 days off.
Yes.
Ba off go.
I said 3 days.
Enti me wa ma me off no na me dey ya ho adwuma.
Yeah.
You sana me ye.
Me the advice me nua ba ka tell me say na ni kunu bono na to man bi opa bia me nua be so the car ba fie o ma ze fie feel good. O ka tell obusuafo ze on kuta. On ba ka say
na ho ko ba.
Na ho aware de sa baby anyo ye.
Krokro no na nya de won pe.
Alex ye fie nyo na bebubu sima ye yi. Den de am ba ka say.
Okun de on te sa.
So obo kono bunkun. Anya hwe obe ye. Obe ye cheche.
Dem okun wi a ejapade niam na obenya bi.
Kuni de me.
Me fam che what choose soft life na mo ba argue say say advice na yen na tie dey man nko na show.
Yeah, but na me from advice man I mean come
for advice bra.
Remember be bro.
Na obi ankasa wan ne mfia no si.
Remember be bro me abusive no. Bebre no obehwe mu no na o man kasa no. Omo ya victims of abuse. Eno na omutimi di nyini na afa nso ba be abuse wa be abe normal aman ena ye wo emema ne bi nso ho a emofrase abofra bia no violence e woni mu childhood tendency to be more frank to akra na we hye ma mechi ba kutimi to ne nsa ebo ba ko o ti ase enti oba boy na o fio se ye na o to ne nsa boni nua ma ye na o to bibia bo ma Tiano. Me mama mienu o me mpenfo. Omo nya nua be man. Omo sha na omo krokro no. Otimi kosi the whole house. I'm catch a gas and say, "Hey, do you want this guy to grow up like this and disturb his wife?" And I'm saying so sometimes discipline him too.
Okay.
Enti afi no me mana kola na tia se de be ya onfa nyini na eme no mama nkoso boboni ne mama ofie hey na kwaku jai na kojo jai na kwami jai no o de be ko ne yire so enti mofabre mu no e ho na shepu enkwala eno enti na mefa akonya we so na o backyard na ma bo eye menu akobichi abaso eye initiative bi a wa start boys life matter
and I'm saying oh yeah
a good initiative pa enti yeah ya wo memema ye nyina asage se ye beteti omo se de be ya omo nko tete amanfo maba baba bi wonye se opese oye sa but abe normal aman ana emanu bi won so omo hoje emanu bi wo ho a omo hoje nipa boni ni no den ya anakoma mbe bi wo ho a eye soft hwehwe ne soft spot na ye ho adwuma na
enjoy soft
life no what it I say pushing for digi ubetimi de ho apa afode am abusua wu a enya hwe
ampa enya hwe na advice mo pe no
dabi ene de wu ne de all there
patient last word
meka bia to sister send the DNA so me that still me that so soft life ni because ahojire ohwe ma nipa kra ho ba enka enti soft life na de ni gire mu pa na ne beka ato aso no so say ye parents a ye wo fie no ye hwe say ye wo abusive marriage mu ana say relationship mu a ye hwe ba bi a be ma ne mro ye wo na ye ntime enkeka nko honom eno so betimi aboa ya sowo problem kakra bobo ba no na me se me ma waduro se wu ne de me mpe because e bi a me ne wa won kola bebre me prefer say obetina obaka yare mu na enu ni mu no na wo me ma ne ho wo me ma me hu se bi kun da so wo ho kuna ne de ni nyanye kuna etino o fie mu na ehwe
obedam pem na bodaipa
because me ko ba bi a me say me ma ne papa no o hye eti kakra nde ebeka ho no se ye hwe se no
me for advice now the my pa say e ma ye ti aware relationship ye wo fie a ye ya de ne e ma no wo ho a ye feel so mu swa omunya hunu hwe no e na ha adwene e ho mema no a mu pe ma bro no so no mu ye mobo ate ne ma me ko twa eto ye di 18 ba 20 mu ja ye na mmewafo ate say mu pese mu twhwe ani so saa de me nsa chen me ba me de ma no na obi abom na me so my lucky
na me so
in this situation
pa prime pa bona sum
oh me cry there me nya chance me so mpo na it say in this situation yi there shake life no na ma flow me so say hwehwe ba bi an soft spot wo na ye more jimifo na onfa woni agro in terms of say wo hu say unjije no rather no sa memma ne ya no mu pese wo ye extreme jimifo edemma no on pese obeko kromu a ene o de wo hye oti ana de agina ahwe nim no atwitwa snap ato ama nkrofo no na ya no mfo ahwe because on pese obeko krom utuka no koba obeden opebo into ye choose dia also you rules and regulations e wo ho my advice no yenko a beauty queen ho
Okay, Nana, me that's again. My co-panel see they've touched every aspect of it.
okay
Kaka, me so me debe kan ho is to let the general public know that if it takes you say wani bonkumuntu na fa tu ohia ase a do it. Uye wi a nyame ya wadom na ebi so a you can fix
so better designer
at
space
any point in time. Our hospitals, we get to know stories behind incontrovertible conditions. And the root of all of that is poverty. Hiya nema obatan bi dwendwen yenya akomayade. Hiya nema abaya bi ne obi anka ensem fata eko have affair onya yade bi enwo se onya. So under no circumstance. And what dream be you say go for ohia. Don't ever. Emo obi anada will say obeko heaven. Hiya ni me ma say hiya ni bi enu obeko heaven. Because Bible kaseti ya intro. Hiya ni beko akodi intro akodi obi sika. So here we see heaven crowd bayira and can any doorso. You get me. Yesu krate. Na wako akotia no. So here die lalai. Me that's it.
me that's beauty queen also a channel bobre Cindy last couple word in 5 seconds
Okay. My advice I'm in man and say soft life ni but emu de say ukum na sa wo hwe say ade we na de how be ba ne ade na mo a papa mi sha wo be siesie ko ofun so akwakota a ho kire na nyina ye fa say ya bi mu say e ya adwenkire na obi a kire na ade me say me pe soft life but me pese me go fi asase so na say bia me pese bia me kuni but then na maye ne metumi abosa soft life no ho ban a enti me nsa me sere wo hwe ne ye a na waye na emom de mo maye ntutu say de bia ye be jai say ye be abisi obia ana say ye be abisi ye mane ade sa wo baketwa na start yesa na nne ntokwa oni obi ye bibi na ntokwa na oprepra nipa awofo mendi uba nachi kacha uba ne say enya de pa esane say wan tie ne na ode benya man na yes boys life matter amoni du baabi a ode kwa koye obia bia otene baabi a ne maame titi ni da maso
Yo, Musafo na madam ase.
Nansa na ebe ko.
Hey!
What say excellency say? Also, I ever see it.
Na se me me kan ba bi o mi jina dada. O ka se bi me kan.
It's soft life.
Yeah, soft life with roots and yes.
How will you cope? Coping mechanism now is very important. Yeah, you know, soft life, but the coping mechanism.
Soft life no. Obi enu a won pe o. Obi enu obeka so be chusu hia. No wa go through headache. But me dear ne saying. So question I discuss me the can't say. I'll still go for my soft life. Nama shebe bia. Bema no ni weak point wo. Chemema sabi omusua free papa mu an omusua free compound house. Ana uma ba be yesa no. Ye de empire penny timi sesa wo mu. Na face wo so wa hunu ba bia. Won koka no ma abuse no enye double. Because sometimes we betumi ene natana na abuse no kwa ye verbal. Eye verbal la utimi twifa so. Ba me amte ayi. Sa betun sa agbo me ba kunu mi ensa de. Ende me di jai be ma bi kura. I me di jai obi. But also a situation here in this situation I'll still go for the soft life and work around it. In what terms? Measure a near me ya a sparky sa feeling ne wo be mani mu. Then the one more whatever. All my be piano. One on person be adwuma. Or on your ni kuo. Unko be bia sometimes I sorry kwa wan hwe den. Oma unko bi. O pese ni inferiority complex ninti no. Ene jealousy na abeka on ninti no. Oye shepe na still wo de tina fi. Eba sa sika wo dia me home service for the hair. Home service for the bibia. Ene TikTok abai. Na ma set studio fi. Nti me say me ho a. Ma me twa me video. Ma sa ko ro.
Ohun TikTok page.
Eh,
No the whole trend mama. Shanta.
Sankrofone ni omu fie kura obi ago ana mwovu. Wani
Anabi
said you discuss energy.
Said you just so fine money kwa no timi gutimi fu. Ha. Ade na kwa ne chia wo just so fine money.
Ai. Eni e call baby na do number e ma no. Eno wo ko ha again no sa na ye den. Ena ko ha again sa na ye den. Na no ne bebam sa na madam. Come here be obi di. Come here papa bi on ne yere na mo a. Wo ba no ni mu kura o share o se. Tesa misro. De metumi aya no no. Now what to say? Yo, be ma na ko. O want to say ni nyina no so ko bi o. Ah yo ye bekase. No oko. Oni asumdie na nso.
Now the amount. Unu saw the track car.
Nanka sa be ma no. Autoka ma track dem.
Even your phone.
Na sa be ma sa.
Put this string ma crowd we call the fast track.
And never my son I can I am Bible.
Message nyame.
Nyame because woman a draw ye the dem friend and Bible na.
Adi nyame. Ai abe so
born ma Daniel. Ene jata at 9. Ama jata na ntimi anya ne hwea. Me slow to point akopon say. Ama ne eye sa
abuser no.
Ore Alex.
Abra obo a unkra ne di ne sika.
Amen.
Amen. Yo, Musafo de na ene. Ade ne yasemi ebesie. Erade mo obi ne oni ne sika. Ene erade hu ni mobo so na blo ni ba anka ba bi ebebo. Ebo kobo ani a waso be yese. Na mom na de lumba ka san bi. Osi sika da ball so kwa eden. Fabi kopebi na oye wo hene. Enti sika de eye niema bebre. Misrawo wey ye adventure ne nkomo abesimu aye discuss. Enti se wo bi mu a fa futu efrim. Uni bi mu so na fe na ko make choice na de hu no. Weigh the sizes and son why the water queue stand. Yeda mu nyina me do mu nyina nyame hira mu nyina. Thank you so much. I'm so for afutu anyina achi no. Kakra bi am de so nie. Ama ni bi wo so aye ho gye. Be ma na mono a. Sebe one ne dakra ne hu nsane no. Enya ne ne ka de but when should I be shown say obi no sa feeling no na no to soft life na dia enya na yet say o de hu abo banchi abo hu de opa na de wanya no eno so e wo ho obi feeling no na mum ye kasetia abusive relationship whether verbal whether physical or emotional ya me hira mu nyina nti abusafo ye de enkomo no be hia na anu ya enche kra be hu ekuada sabia me no wo kasai me da aboafo ase high sense my way synthesis tank and a holy insecticide spray Mr. Wa share for comments eto aye YouTube page a wo hwe so yi McBrown's Kitchen YouTube page for comment no fa Sarah nyewo social media me social media na me bebubodi me a me personal one me free Facebook aye official Nana McBrown me Instagram I am Ama McBrown me TikTok official me personal TikTok I am Ama McBrown GH and adwuma aye any creative works and nam come aye be nyina no and your official I am Ama McBrown and I'm Snapchat aye I am Ama N McBrown mu me mobo said be ya mu be yi fraud for no every kwamu these are my official pages and the mu nyina say cause one hwe bo hu the Ronaldo for so hwe ye be share bio ya kramo backyard kitchen na komo no wo